Hello and welcome to my video, Saving Taxes on Real Estate, the Oregon First Time Buyer Savings Account. One way to save money and taxes when buying a home in Oregon is to use an Oregon First Time Buyer Savings Account. Homeownership can have tax benefits, and so can saving for your first home. I am definitely not an expert on taxes, and when it comes to taxes, you should always consult a real tax advisor. If you're an Oregonian saving to purchase your first home, or if you've just not owned a home in 3 years or more, you can save up to $5,000 a year in an Oregon first time buyer savings account. That money will be tax free from Oregon state income taxes. If you are married, the two of you can save up to $10,000 a year, free of Oregon state income taxes. For some, that is a savings of almost $1,000 a year in taxes. And for any working Oregonian, the savings will be hundreds of dollars. So look into the first time home buyer savings program. It's about as easy as opening a savings account at a bank. If your bank does not have this program, just contact me. I'd be happy to help you find a bank that does have it.